action.
Hey, I'm Steve with Craft Racing and More, and we are here at the campground. Today I'm going to be roofing the shed. The shed's right down there. There's the canvas, and I'm about to get going. I don't know how much I'm going to get done today, but we'll see right now. We're going to put you on time lapse, and we're going to go up there and start putting on some tar paper. As you can see, we have our safety gear on because we have to do the other side of the roof, which is very steep. It's too steep to stand on without risking falling off. So spent some money, got some safety hardware, we're ready to go roof. Backside, I got 2 more pieces I got to put up, the backside and then over the ridge, and then we'll be ready to start drip edges. So after that time lapse, you can see that the roof is done. Sweating my ass off right now. It's time for lunch. But now it's too hot to get up there because I had to put long pants on. I started out in shorts and I switched to long pants because it was just, I was burning my knee when I would kneel down on this stuff. And with the sun hitting it so much, it's starting to get gooey. So the tar paper is on, it's up, it's done. So it could rain on it all at once. It's gonna be okay. Next is gonna be the drip edges. That's the aluminum that you put around the sides and the top. And I don't know if I'm doing that today or not. We'll see. After I eat, we'll see how it is. Alrighty. Ooh, it's warm out here. It's almost 90. And it's the end of September. Love it. Okay, drip edges are on. There they are. Got a nice gap. Nice gap up there. Now we're right next to the shed and I'm 2 feet lower than it. Because the ground is just drops. The shed's just up on blocks and yep. So here we are. There's that side corner. Goes up to the top and comes back around. And there we go. Got a nice little fold over the corner. Yep. Alright, now that the tar paper's on, there's the tar paper. Next we got to put there's a weather strip that we put, oh, it's like a starter strip. We put all the way around the border before we shingle it. That's what's next, and that'll be another day.